Well, this is how it goes when you're train spotting. I know I think it's the Norfolk Southern 1067 will be coming through here shortly. It is the reading engine. I'm not sure all the details on it, but I guess I'll see it when it comes by. But no, it's yellow and green. Looks beautiful, I've heard. And it was just recently painted about a month ago, 5 weeks ago, so released from the factory with the paint job. So it is coming through town. First chance I've had to find it. So see if I can. I've seen it on webcam already. It's a few minutes up the road from here, so it may have been stopped from another train going through since the one lane in East Palestine. But I'm hoping to see it here before long. So kind of excited. Hope it's not dirty already. All right, we'll see. Boy, it's a nice foggy night for this train. Nice cool one too.